Hello everyone and welcome to Ayesha's Unique Cuisines, Shetu's Cuisine du Monde. This is a platform whereby we cook cuisines around the world. So if you happen to chance upon this video, this very moment, you're most welcome to the channel, and you can support by subscribing, liking, commenting and sharing the video to support and to get more content. So today we're gonna make some Mediterranean Italian salad, and for this we need some cucumber, 2 large cucumbers. We need some 2 large tomatoes, some mint leaf, 1 large onions, some parsley, some scallions or spring onions, some tomato juice, lemon juice, white or black pepper, olive oil, and some salt to taste. Let's proceed. Guys, we're gonna start off with a dressing, and for this I'll need some olive oil, approximately, let's say 4 tablespoons of olive oil, approximately, let's say 2 tablespoons of lemon juice. Just mix. We're gonna incorporate in the tomato juice, teaspoon of black pepper. You can use white pepper if that's what you have, no pressure. Pinch of salt to taste. Sure that you mix this thoroughly, like so, till we get a uniform mixture.
Ayesha Shini Cuisine,
Set our mixture aside and work
a place
on
where your cooking is a cared for.
bowl.
Ayesha Shini Cuisine, Ayesha Shini Cuisine, a place where
So
your cooking is a cared for. Ayesha Shini Cuisine, you are what you eat. Eat well, live well. Ayesha's Unique Cuisines. Ayesha's Unique Cuisines. Come on, Ayesha's Unique Cuisines. A place where your cooking is a cared for. Ayesha's Unique Cuisines. Come on, Ayesha's Unique Cuisines. A place where your cooking is a cared for. Ayesha's Unique Cuisines. You are what you eat. Eat well, live well. Ayesha's Unique Cuisines. So this is a cooking platform whereby we cook cuisines around the world. So if you like eating recipes across the globe, then this channel is for you, and you can support it by subscribing, liking, commenting and sharing. That way YouTube gets to recommend my channel, and I also get to upload more videos. Thank you.